All right, so I just had a student who requested the song Vacation by the band Young. I don't know how many of you out there know this song or into this, but it's kind of fun to play, and there's cool parts in it. I'd say the most annoying part of learning this song is that you have to tune your guitar differently. So it's still E-A-D-G-B-E. A usual tuner is set for 440. This is going to be plus 35 on that. So they can create that effect either by speeding up the track, or they can tune their instruments up plus 35. So that's what we're going to do. So you'll go to a tuner and you go to 440, and then you just tune up a bit. Try to get each one at about plus 35. I don't know if the free guitar tuning apps will do that. So here's your verse. It sounds a little like this. Starts with G major 7. All these chords will be written out in tabs. There'll be a link to the tabs down below. So here we go. This is your intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. The song pretty much goes through that, I think, just twice. I don't think there's anything else to learn in there. So about those chords, here's a G major 7. Here's an A minor 7. Also, you can play it like this if you prefer that. Here's a B minor 7. Same thing, up 2 frets. And here's a C6. Now, you'll also, during the intro, I also played an A minor 7 like this. Just without holding that root. And I did the same thing for B minor 7. And I think it sounds pretty good with those open E and B strings in there. Your verse, you got an A minor 7 here. And you have a D9 or 13. And that's it. Those are all your chords there. Our second guitar part has these notes in it.